What's up, guys? We're back with another video here. This one, well, it's daylight, right? We're not going to the coast to shoot divers. We're not gonna go shoot some widgeon. This time we're loading up Eric's boat, picking up his buddy Jesse, and then a good friend of mine, James Nash, is gonna join us. And we're gonna go shoot a 4-man limit of mallards, or a couple mallards, or one, doesn't matter. We're gonna have a good time. But we're changing things up. We're gonna go hunt pocket water off a big river here in the Northwest. So that's the plan. Gonna head eastbound. We're gonna go stay the night tonight. Should be a super fun time. I think the fun thing is, like, there's so much variety in waterfowling, and you can go do the same thing over and over and kind of perfect it. And you know, it's fun, don't get me wrong, but you can also like have this variety, and there's so many different things, whether it's field hunting, tidal hunting, big water hunting, any of that. There's always a new challenge, some different variables, weather. We're just gonna experience it all on this trip. I'm excited. We're not gonna hunt out of the boat blind. We're gonna just use the boat as a transport mode. And with that, I think we're Audi 500 here in just a few. Good morning, guys. We made it to our destination, stayed the night at a classy hotel, motel.
Roadway Inn?
Yeah. Yep. You guys have not, I don't know if you got to meet James on the channel. It's Captain James Nash, Six Ranch Outfitters. Good friend of mine lives over here on the east side of the state. Called him up, he's joining us. We got Mr. Strand and our buddy Jesse as well joining us in the Mallard Madness, as we're gonna call it today. That's the goal, Mallard Madness. So we're gonna load up, hit the boat, get on the river, and go shoot some mallards.
Don't sit down on that.
Another group setting up over there in those lights. Oh yeah.
And there's another good spot over to our right here. And then we can kind of be well hid, have watching the camera, rotate around, do whatever.
All right, guys, you can't quite see it yet, but we got about maybe 18 goose floaters, 2 dozen. Over here on the left, we got this flock mallard. Right here, we're gonna set up a two-man shooting holes here. So, still got about 20 minutes of shooting light.
Coming in. Go, James. Back! Back! Good girl. Get that bird.
Forgot to turn your Tacticam on.
Things just happened in the heat of battle.
Yeah.
Help me out here. Darn it.
If it didn't happen on camera, there's no proof that it actually happened.
Hey, good way to get things started.
I guess, yeah.
Kill him. Nice shooting.
Yes, sir. That Bannon one on the right was mine.
Good girl.
The teal double retrieve was pretty badass yesterday.
Here. Ryder, here. Ryder! Oh, you wanted me to pick the other one up too?
It's her first season. This is like her, what, fifth, sixth hunt?
Fifth hunt, yeah.
Yeah.
No, she's doing good. I just,
Yeah.
it's funny to watch her little mannerisms. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess I'll go get that one too.
Boy, kill that drake, boys. Beautiful drake.
Good?
Oh, yeah.
Would it?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Ryder.
Wood duck drake.
Nice.
Beautiful. Yeah, I looked over and he's just prouder than a peacock sitting at the
awesome.
decoys. All right, guys, quick little update. It is 8:06. We've killed one lesser and 2 mallards. Mallard madness. What time you said Mallard madness normally begins?
8:30, 9 o'clock.
8:30, 9 o'clock.
I got a wood duck too.
Oh yeah, and a drake wood duck. So these birds are working. There's corn all on both sides of us here, and coming back here to loaf and do their grit and grinding. Pretty heavy ground fog, but the spread you can see got 2 dozen mallards. 2 dozen mallards. Got a jerk rig. We got decoy dancer with the spinner with floating stand, and then we got what, 18 honker decoys. We're set up on an island. We planned actually on hunting right over there, but it was so deep we couldn't set decoys, and then it was they raised the water. We would have been standing waist deep water and didn't have a dog stand. So this is spot number, well, we covered the whole shore to get this spot. We found some dry ground, so we'll see how it goes.
Kill him. Kill him.
Well, got a little lucky. The old bluebill gave a swing around, and miraculously I hit it doing Mach 4. Put about a 6-footer on her, maybe. I don't know, 4.
Put a school bus lead on it.
Yep.
Good girl. Ringneck. Look at that. It's like purplish red.
Yeah.
Really?
I haven't shot a ringneck in a long time.
Yeah.
Going in. I mistapped my GoPro though.
Did you miss it?
Mm-hmm. Sorry guys, messed that one up. Single drake mallard. Like on the 6th lap. Game on.
You better do it.
It's a dry cold, right, James?
Yeah, that's what it is.
92% humidity.
Where's that good girl? Oh, there she is. Oh, shake it off. Look, it's a goose, only smaller.
Well done. Do it.
Got a few shots in there. Birds are up and moving around. It's actually kind of fun to get some air through the call because I've been cold. Been a good way to warm up. There's the update, guys. It's 11:50. The snows are starting to move. Hoping the ducks start to move. Still, I don't know what the count is. What do we have? 8?
It's like 7 or 8 ducks.
7 or 8
2
ducks,
geese.
2 geese. So not terrible. We've been getting a shot here and there. It's a little bit colder because Eric and I have got some brand new waders, and they both leak right in the crotch, like right here. So our group that's been behind us, they got in a bunch shooting this morning. It sounded like maybe on some divers. Looks like they're picking up a big old spread. We had a guy that hiked in, came in over there. He's killed a couple birds. Single diver to the left, cruising on by. That's where we're at. It's time to dig into the snack bag. Yeah.
Do it. That was efficient, boys.
Yeah, I was gonna say that was pretty solid.
Kill. Wow. By the head. Thank you.
What is it?
Give it back.
Canvas back in. Oh. That's pretty cool. That's my first canvas back.
They taste really good. They are delicious. Get that bird. Good girl. Thank you.
But it's so cold. Yeah.
No, it acts nice and friendly. Every time you hit the call, it just turn. Good girl, Ryder. Are you serious?
You mobbed up.
No way. Did you seriously get a man? Leg man. Oh my! Ryder got her first one. James got it. That's awesome.
Got his first.
Good job,
Good
Ryder.
girl.
Yeah. Hey, I told you the Mallard Madness was coming.
Well done.
Pretty worn in band too.
Yeah. Not a spring mallard.
Heck yeah.
Good girl.
Love it.
Nice job.
Good job, Ryder. She was so reluctant because it was so heavy. Yeah, that's not an old one. I mean, a new one.
Yeah.
It's an older one. Nice.
Sweet. That's what I'm talking about.
What happened?
I don't know.
What'd you guys do?
I think it was your calling.
Oh, for God's sake, that thing was coming in on a string. Whatever. Those boots on.
Today's bag is so crazy mixed. Mallards, band, that's pretty rad. Bufflehead, honker, hen canvasback, or yeah, hen can, hen redhead, hen pintail, drake wood duck, 2 lessers. It's like waterfowl, so cool. It's just the variety of places and conditions and species and techniques, all of it. You can kill them jump shooting, you can kill them sculling out of a boat, pass shooting, decoying, whatever it is. Just go out and have fun. That's what it's all about. I love this. This is a cool deal. It's like I said on the public land waterfowl tour, we shot surf scoters, bufflehead, widgeon, teal. I mean, just about it all in the Pacific Flyway, and then today. So, pretty rad.
Go! Ooh, nice shot, Cody. I think you just killed Cam's back. Good shot, Cody.
Look at that.
Nice bird, Ryder.
Yep. Good girl. That is awesome. They are, dude, they are massive.
Oh, they're big birds. Big birds.
So jacked. That's my first canvas back.
That's killer.
Maybe. It's a reminder, when you guys are out bird hunting, pick up your shot shell and your wads and pick up anybody else's trash that you guys come across, because it's a bad gig, right? And with that, it's a wrap. 3 o'clock, we're gonna load this thing up, get the boat on the trailer and hit the road. Be a late night, but I'm due for some coffee and probably a burger and fries. If you guys liked all this variety that we shot out here, hit that thumbs up button, tell us about it. In the comment section below, tell me what you thought was your favorite, or what was your favorite bird of the day. Was it the drake wood duck? Was it the banded drake mallard? Or the canvasback? I mean, or the ringneck? I mean, the ringneck was pretty classy. So, yeah, with that, we're gonna load up, call it a day.